Morning, people. Tuesday morning. Yeah, same again really. Got a few jobs on. There's a few jobs in one house, to be honest with you. So I've got a new bath tap to change, a basin tap to change. I've got a waste pipe to do outside, and just reroute a pipe work that's lying over a plug socket at the moment. So just moving it further up and out the way. Yeah, pretty easy day really today, but yeah, here goes. So the first off, took the bath panel off. These are the two taps that we're going to do today. So we've got the panel off now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a couple of isolation valves on there as well. Makes life a bit easier when testing it. So we've done that. We've connected up the new tap, I should say. It's all put in properly now, all sealed off, ready to be tested. That's one job down. So now we're going to change this old waste over, which I've already done. Here's one I've done earlier. So whipped out an old pop-up waste for one of these clicker-clacker ones, as they call them. So now that's done, I'm going to whip out the old tap. Nice and yummy over there. We're going to give that a good old clean up anyway. There we go. It's not worth putting it in when it's all dirty, is it now? So we've also put a couple of isolation valves on there as well, as they didn't have them. So it's always nice to do it. So now I've just got to get the clamp on the bottom of the tap and plumb it in. There you go. Job's a good one. So here's the other job that we had to do. As you can see, some idiots put it right over a plug. Anyway, so we're going to move it up there and get it out of the way. It was a little bit tight in there, bringing everything in. So they're going to be having the kitchen done soon anyway. So, but yeah, we've popped it up there, out the way. So that should all be good. So on this next job, there's an elderly customer that I do work for. We wanted a new jacket put on the cylinder. They can't afford to get a new one. So yeah, we'll just put a new one on there and try and keep the heat in and keep it going, as they say. But yeah, nice easy jobs, all done. Please subscribe, like and all that business. We'll see you on the next one.